we have a little pie pumpkin that we've had for decoration, and I decided I would like to feed it to my chicks. It's kind of a gloomy day out here. We are gonna see if they like it. Hey, chickies. So we're in the middle of transitioning our garden to the other side of the fence because the chickens have been getting in my garden and destroying everything. Like, these are kale. Were kale. Bad chickens. I had lots of cool things growing in here. And not so much anymore. Hey, babies. What do you think? What do you think? So pumpkins are supposed to be great for chickens. The seeds, the guts, the stringy bits, everything. Poor bud. He doesn't know what he's aiming at. I read somewhere that the seeds are a natural dewormer. However, I've also researched it a little bit more, and there's no evidence. Dude, your beak is so messy. There's no actual evidence that that's true. But if anything, they'll give them energy and nutrition. Go ahead. Doesn't seem to like the seeds too much. What do you think, Ruby? What do you think? Do you like it? Oh, someone else heard that there's snacks. What do you guys think? Let me clean your face off. There we go. Got a little bit of it. Yummy, Fifi. Yummy, Fifi. Oh, we've got a whole crew out here now. You see our molting baby? She's missing all her neck feathers. Hi, JC. You and your messy beak. Yeah, you're so messy. We actually have a new chicken in there. She's very shy. She is a golden comet. We actually got two, but they both jumped over the fence, and we've only been able to find her.
Does the chicken that was with her look the same as her?
Yeah, I think the one that was with her had a little bit less white on them. She has more white than her sister.
Look.
Very pretty. Yeah, the trees behind our house are all different colors right now, which is really nice. Very, very pretty.
They sure do like the seeds.
Yeah, they do tend to like the seeds, so that's good. And we've got more pumpkins for them to enjoy.
Mm-hmm.
So Dad got to give them some roasted pumpkin, and what else did we give them? Scrambled eggs and eggshells the other morning, so now I get to give them a treat. Go ahead, Mona, get it. Oh, and Ruth is gonna grab some and then go running. Watch. Let's see. Yep, she does not like anyone knowing that she's got something in her mouth. Oh, and that's why. Mona. You will... Nope, she just got it back.
Silly chicken.
Eat it, Ruth. You silly girl. I love these chickens. So they're totally destroying my garden. So carrots, gone. Squash, gone. They're starting to destroy my pepper plant. So I think we're going to start, maybe later today we should start winterizing these, even though it's not quite time for that. They're getting into my garlic bed. Oh, boogers. Yep. Little boogers. Oh, let's see. I keep replanting these and they keep digging them up. I don't know what else to do.
I think this chicken wire just like keeps falling.
Yeah,
Just climb up.
they definitely keep climbing through it. But I mean, we've got a good amount of garlic growing if we'll just leave it alone. But we're actually going to end up moving these beds. I started moving that one, but I lost it because it's too heavy. But we're going to move them on the other side of the fence so that... Oh, there's a butterfly.
Oh yeah, I see it. Over by your... Oh, right there.
There it goes.
It's a monarch.
Anyway, so we're going to move the garden beds on this side. So since they destroyed the end bed and probably this bed once we get the peppers out, we'll move all of those on the other side. So I think I'll put them in between these Carolina jasmines. So right here, there, and then one back there. And we actually are considering putting a fence in starting at the edge of the house, so that whole area all the way down. So we'll have a whole another fenced-in area. So they can have...
To make the whole entire backyard a garden.
No,
Basically.
no.
Yes.
Dad talked about putting a fence in starting way over there. Yeah, see the house going in? I'm not excited about that. Putting a fence in starting over there all the way across, and that would take up about half of the yard. But then we do want the yard to be available for kids to play and everything. Those aren't edible. That's why he
was
doesn't
trying
want
to eat them.
Oh, because he thinks that they're edible, but they're not. Oh, look at little Maggie. Or little magpie.
She's my baby.
She's so cute.
She's
a cute baby. All right, well, chickens like the pumpkin. I'll give you one last look. If you're wondering if it's a good one to give to your chickies,
Yes.
I say yes. Look at how big that buff Orpington is. She's so big. We call her Fanny because she's got a big fanny. Look at her in comparison to that Wyandotte right next to her. They're not too far off in age.
Oh, really?
Yeah. She's just huge. She's huge. She's bigger than our rooster.
No, Maggie, stay. Have they seen the baby chicks?
Actually, you know what? I don't think they have. So you want to go out in the garage and show them?
Yeah, let's go.
Just a quick moment of appreciation for how pretty these pea flowers are. We got these little cuties. Let's see, about a week and a half ago now. And they've already probably close to doubled in size. They're getting pretty big. They're super, super cute. My little olive. They came straight run, so we don't know gender yet. We're hoping for at least 2 girls. If we get 3, we're gonna give one to a friend of ours who we have been doing baby chicks with. Okay, I'll go on this side.
Do we know names yet?
No, there's no names yet. I think the first week or so we just focus on getting them healthy. Motorcycles. Oh, look how cute these are. Look how cute. You're so cute. Yes, you're
You're so fluffy and cute. Silly chickie.
Hey, sweetie. Hey, you. Yeah, sweet little chipmunk markings. Oh, is that
Yeah,
your
right here.
sissy? I really hope so. Yeah, they're super cute.
This one's the darkest, I think.
One of them has a little white face. That one is hiding behind the water now, behind the food. It's got a cute little white face. Yep. There's a little white face. They all have little puffy cheeks. Hey, you've got cute little puffy cheeks. Oh,
So cute.
you are so cute. Tell me about it. This one has like darker colored eyes. The one I was just holding had blue eyes. Yeah. You're so cute. Alright. So cross your fingers for us that we have at least 2 girls, hopefully 3, hopefully 4, maybe all 4. I kind of think one of these is a rooster. So does Dad. I think it's the, I forget which one now. One of them is developing a little bit differently. So we'll see.
Like that.
What are you guys doing?
Like that.
Are you snuggling?
Hey, cutie.